Hey everybody, it's Christine. Thank you for tuning into my channel. We're gonna do some curtain bangs using Brad Mondo's tutorial. Let's get started. Brad Mondo says if you don't have any cheekbones, if you get curtain bangs, it'll give you instant cheekbones. Let's see what this does for me. Deep breath. Let's do it. Steps 1 and 2 are to wet your hair and to make a middle part. So I'm gonna wet my hair. Okay, so the next step is to go 2 or 3 inches back, depending on how thick you want your bangs, And we're gonna section it to the ends of our eyebrows. Okay, I have my section. And now I'm just gonna clip the rest of my hair back. So my hair is getting a bit dry again. I'm gonna re-wet it because Brad says having the hair wet will weigh it down and make the cutting straighter. Okay, so I'm just bringing back my middle part. I'm gonna eyeball it, bring it to the side. And this is kind of what I want my bangs to look like when we're all done. So the length that I pick my curtain bangs to be is, he does right at the nose, but I'm gonna go just a little bit longer just in case. And we're gonna snippy snip snip. Does this look straight? Probably not. So to make sure it's straight, you should take a strand on each side and meet it in the middle to see if it's straight. And I will tell you right now, they're not straight. I mean, it's not the worst. Better. Too bad, actually. Okay, I think everything's straight, or straight enough. And let's carry on. And now we're gonna get rid of what Brad calls wedges, so this blunt area, by over-directing in the opposite direction. I'm gonna over-direct in this direction. And my fingers are gonna stay parallel to this part. And we're gonna get rid of this section here. And there we go, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay. This side is sitting a lot nicer than this side, so we're gonna do the same thing on this side over here. my hair. It's super annoying. so now I actually just made my hair wet again, and I'm just gonna double check my work. We're gonna do what we did before, compare the ends. The next step is to blow dry my bangs, and then we will continue on. Okay, so these are my bangs dry. I would say they are sisters and not twins, but that's okay, we're just gonna keep on going. Honestly, no idea what to think about these bangs right now. Now to thin out the bangs, we're gonna take each section, we're gonna go all the way up, and then we're gonna point cut. And he says to be careful here. I've cut myself with these scissors before, not super fun. Okay, okay. Same thing on this side. So he does this thing where he comes in and he thins it out. I'm so scared to do this. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna let down the rest of our hair and section off, I think, 1/2 inch. This is way more than 1/2 inch. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blend it out. I'm gonna trim down to blend it all in. Same on this side. So I'm gonna let my hair down. I'm gonna do my makeup, do my hair, and we'll come back right here to see what it looks like. Hello, I am back. So this is the final look. Actually, you know, I like it. Especially if I actually had time to style my hair every day. Tried to go with like a 70s retro look. What do you guys think? Is it très magnifique? Thank you, Brad Mondo, for the tutorial. I'm gonna keep my bangs like this for a little while. Maybe it'll grow out. And like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Oh, mistake. Do it again.
What mistake?
No, just, you know, the human process. Well, trial and error, and then we're just done. Oh, look at me, I'm really pretty now. That wasn't too bad. Like and subscribe.